Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. Now in this review I am using my new tripod. As the tripod I usually use with the camcorder, the tripod head broke off completely and the plastic part that clipped on to the tripod itself was unrepairable. So I contacted the company who made it, and unfortunately I can't get that particular part. So I've been out and got myself a new tripod. So I'm just hoping that the angle and everything is okay on the video. It looks okay here, but if you do notice any differences, please let me know. So today we're going to be taking a look at a Corgi model. So I've got my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus phone here. The background might go a bit dark just for a second, but don't worry, it will soon come back on again. So as you can see, I've gone on the Eddie Stobart models.com website because I haven't got the box to this particular model anymore. So today we're going to be looking at this model here, which has the product code CC13719. It's a Scania R-Series. It's the cab only Truckfest version. The name on it is Chloe May. The fleet number is H2201 and it has number plate PX06CKY. There was 1,810 of these made, and it was produced in 2008. So if we just knock my phone off now, there we go. So as you can see, the lighting's come back to normal. So let's get on with today's review then. So okay, so bringing the cab up into view now. So as you can see, here we have the Scania R-Series cab. First off, it's not too light, it's not too heavy, it's a bit in between really. Now they didn't make a trailer with this particular cab because obviously this is when Stobart's, I think, altered to the newer cab wrap design, so they produced a tractor unit specifically for that. So we'll start with the front of the cab. So I'll zoom in on this one. So as you can see on the top of the foil there, and we've got the word Stobart in dark green. Now on the top of the roof we've got what looks like a rack of some description, but if you do know what those are for, please leave your comments below. I'm wondering whether it's something to do with the foil on them. I might be completely wrong. Moving down, you can see we've got a black visor area just below, just there, and also the windscreen with some detailed windscreen wipers on. Moving to the centre of the grille now, so if we just zoom out slightly, you can see that we've got the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly on the sides of the grille, and also it's incorporated into the front half as well. So as you can see on the grille, we also have the Scania, a bit bad focus there, I'll just zoom out to correct that, the Scania logo and the name Chloe May, as you can see just there. I'll just zoom out so I don't blur the focus again. Moving down to the bottom of the grille area, you can see we've got the Scania R420 symbol just on the left, just there, if I zoom the camcorder in. We've got the headlights and the indicators on the left and right hand sides. And moving down onto the red and white striped bumper at the bottom, we have got the lamps or fog lamps, whichever you wish to call them, on the bottom left and right hand sides, and also the number plate PX06CKY. So let's turn the model round to the side. So as you can see, it's a 6-wheel tractor unit, obviously hence the 3 wheels on either side. So taking a look at the side now, if I just zoom in again, you can see we've got the eddiestobart.co.uk website on the top just there. Moving down, which I don't think I mentioned when we looked at the front, we've got the wing mirrors and the blind spot mirror just there. On the side you can see, again, we've got the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly on the side of the passenger door. And we've also got the Stobart S in a silvery sort of colour on the white cab area just there. And also on the bottom we have the fleet number H2201 and again the name Chloe May. So moving around to the back of the truck now. So as you can see on the back, we've got these very delicate airlines. You have to be really careful with the Corgi models as to not snap them. So I'll just zoom in on those so you can see them a bit better. Now that's one thing that obviously Techno models, well, the old Techno models that I've got don't actually feature, so I don't know whether the new ones actually do. So as you can see, over the wheel arches they've been painted grey, which is actually a nice touch. Obviously I know that colour like in real life, but it just adds a bit of colour difference to the model. As you've probably seen in the Techno reviews, it's just all one colour, so it's like literally all red, so there's no colour variation in it at all. We also have some checker plate on the front just there, which is also a nice touch. So on the back here you can see again we've got the brakes, indicators and reversing lights on the left and right hand sides, and again the number plate PX06CKY. So we'll just zoom out again. So turning the model around to the other side now. So as you can see, there's nothing much different on this side. We've also got some marker lights on either side as well, which are painted in orange. But again, you can see on the driver's side we've got the eddystobart.co.uk website, the mirrors as mentioned, the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly on the side of the driver's door, and the fleet number H2201 and the name Chloe May, as we can see. And also on the front as well we've got just some steps just there leading up to the driver's door, and the same on the passenger side. So that is it basically. The Corgi Scania R-Series in Eddie Stobart Limited Livery.